Haka sin ke menengkong lala ban beli pajba ia kata masa Phlim lani ke belatip kum ke First Meghalaya International Film Festival ia ke penlong da ke Meghalaya Filmmakers Association Haka jingi trilang bat ke Meghalaya Tourism Haka balala ban beli pajba hanin ke sengi kata Haka khatsau terik ubenail ber arjar arpulai ia ke penlong ha uso satham auditorium ia kini kata masa Phlim kebasan sekilanter lawan ban beli pajba Nongba Pol Lengdo beri Menteri Jangatan Tourism Arts and Culture jong sarkar jelah hak jing dan lang jong director uba Cyril Dingdo IAS nang ta uba Commander Siang Pliang beri presiden jong ke Mefilma uba PK Shulet advisor ikong Lucky D Karsati beri secretary lembat kiwe-kiwe kinongkit kam jong ke tekaseng ha ketika masa Phlim ke Mefilma la yuiru ia kiteng shop bat kipuron nagi film Bollywood kibalai don lang ha ketika masa kibakentup ya Adil Hussein bat kiwe-kiwe kum kedak jong ke jingpli pajba ia ketika masa Phlim uba Pol Lengdo ulah khap yo ribbon ia ke yang peni cinema kepada ke yang dara kabala sina kerpang na kepeta ketika masa
And next came the International Film Festival here at Shillong. It only means that we can go beyond Oscar awards as Meghalaya. I'm particularly delighted that on the eve of today's program, yesterday I had the very good fortune through Mr. Muni Singh, who had facilitated our interaction with a group of Gen X guests from countries as diverse as Switzerland to the Middle East to Africa. And in the course of yesterday's interaction, two things struck me as something that very few of us would realize. One, they said they've never seen greenery so much as they do in Shillong. And two is they say even your spices and your turmeric are the best in the world. And I remember telling this friend who owned a spice industry, I remember telling him that he did spice up the evening for all of us. Friends, we're here to celebrate Meghalaya's potential, and that potential goes beyond our being able to set up state-of-the-art cinema halls. That is just a given. It should and it will be done. I think I can say your wish is my command now. We're here to elevate, we're here to energize, we're here to also enhance the stature of Meghalaya. And as a state, we once considered ourselves, part of the periphery. today we are no longer on the periphery. We're very much part of the consciousness of this country, whether they like it or they don't. Those who don't may still continue. But Media has arrived, Shillong has arrived, and it will only be a matter of time before what we lit up today as small sparks will tomorrow, the rest of the world will look to Mega as an inferno of talent, creativity, and huge potential.
Our own talented youth, our own talented talent, which we have from within our state. We are very proud to have Adilji, who is himself from Northeast. Please give him a round of applause. The idea behind this festival, as I have just said, is to promote the festival. And I know we have faith in this government that today that they have supported us for this festival. I don't have any doubt that this is the first step towards the development of the filmmaking in Meghalaya. Though we are in the nascent stage, I can tell you this is the industry that can help our very own youth in their livelihood. I know all of us, we will not be able, all of you, you will not be able to engage or give you a white collar job. So this is the opportunity. This is through the screening of various films. You will, I know for sure, it will inspire you to make good film. We already have good film from old state, which have bagged several awards. Even the Lorni itself, Yodu, Onata, and several films, they have won several awards. And I know from now on, we will grow and our industry will surely bloom. We need to encourage our own entrepreneurs to come up, setting up various theater across Meghalaya so that we will be able to compete not just from the regional film, but I know for sure that we will be able to screen across the country and the globe as well. Filmmaking is all about telling stories. We have our own very unique stories of Meghalaya, and I know some of our filmmakers, they will come up with new ideas, and yes, even the stories about history of Meghalaya. Once we tell our story, I know the global audience will love it. And I know, and I'm sure, this very own festival, our festival, it will help the state, it will help our people. And I know we can contribute through filmmaking to the state exchequer in one day. And I know this one day, the film industry will become the industry that can contribute the revenue of the state. This is, I know for sure. Why? Because I have faith in the government, in whatever we will discuss from now on, the facilities, the infrastructure, to attract the Bollywood, to attract any regional language to shoot here in our own state. I know this will happen. In last few weeks, we just have a summit whereby we from the filmmaker and from the academician, we have discussed for the film policy in Meghalaya. I know under the leadership of Conrad Samba and yes, our very own dynamic Paulingo, we will be soon have our own film policy. And yes, I didn't want to mention lots of points and all, but we wanted to enjoy the film.